Hi friends, here we are given 10 different letters, 10 different letters, and we have to create 5 letter words out of this 10 different letters. Now, how many words of these 5 letter words? Right, we'll have at least one letter repeated. Right, this kind of problem, we should try to find out what are the total number of letters, total number of words that can be created, and total number of words without repetition. So without repetition is actually easier to calculate than with repetition. So we can just subtract. We can calculate the total number of words and then without repetition how many words, and then when we subtract we'll get with repetition how many words. For example, total number of words. How many total number of words? We have 10 different letters. 10 different letters. We have 10 different letters and we have 5 letter words, right? So we have 5 letters, right? So first letter we can choose any of this 10, second also we can choose any of the 10, third also any of the 10, fourth also any of the 10, also any of the 10, right? So how many total words we can create with repetition? With repetition we can actually create 10 power 5, which is 1 lakh words, right? Each letter we can choose any of the 10, and we have 5 such letters, so 10 into 10 into 5 times. That is 1 lakh. Now we have 10 letters again. We have to choose, we have to make words without repetition. Again, 5 letter words. What does that mean? First letter, we can choose any of the 10. Second letter, we can choose from the any of the remaining 9 because we can't choose the already chosen letter. Right? We want all letters to be different. Right? First letter, we can choose any of the 10. Second letter, we can choose any of the remaining 9. The two are done here. Third letter, we can choose any of the remaining 8. Fourth letter, we can choose any of the remaining 7. Then remaining 6 because we don't want repetition. Without repetition, this is basically 10p4, 10p5, right? 5 letters, which is equal to 30 to 40, the multiplication of this. We have total words, which is 1 lakh, and total words without repetition. When that is choosing one letter only once, right? That is 30 to 40. That means all the remaining ones will have at least one repetition, at least one or one repetition minimum, right? There can be more repetitions, but all the remaining ones will have at least one letter repeated. That is what is that? 1 lakh minus 30,240, which is 69,760. Right, guys? This 69,760, it's easier to calculate this way rather than trying to going the hard way. Here, what we have done, total words, how many we can create, which is with repetition. And then total words without repetition, how many we can create. Right, guys? Hope you like this. It's a simple problem, but it has come in IIT JEE. Thank you, guys.